Hey everyone, Mike with Iron Drake Studios here. We're going to do the unboxing of our LED motorcycle kit from SuperbrightLEDs and see how we got everything in this package and see if we're ready to roll and do our installation. Alright, so we got in our box, we got our receipt here, already paid for. We got our couple feet of extra wire. It's red and brown, so that'll be something to remember when you're doing stuff. So we'll keep the red, and I guess the brown will be the black. So here's part of our kit. We got two 19.7 inch red. It says on here that is in fact red. So that's something to check. It is 3M weatherproof mounting tape. So here are kit LEDs. Here's the extra one I ordered. Also, see there, red. That's what I ordered. So that's good. We got our fuse, 2.0 amp automotive fuse. We got our wire nut, not wire nut, our spades for connecting our power source. Here are our wire nuts. We got 4 of these. Might have to grab a few more. I should have ordered those just off the website. I guess they do have those. But I'm going to actually do a lot of soldering on mine, so that won't matter too much. Here's our mini toggle switch. So here's size comparison. Just fits right there. It's rubber coated. The only thing I don't know is where the heck I'm going to mount this. I have not thought about that at all. There's our inline fuse, 12 gauge, 4-inch wire leads. Here's some zip ties, but I have that. And look, an installation sheet. Motorcycle engine lighting kit. So even if you don't follow our video and you want to do your own thing, but you're not sure, we're going to do a lot of this anyway. It says bottom of the tank. Put this right here. There we go. So it just has both of these strips going down the bottom of the tank, and that's it. But there's so much light that comes off of these LEDs, you will not need a whole strip just for your tank, and that's not what we're going to do anyway. You just want accent lighting. Like, this is just overkill. Like, one of these strips is just so much lighting. I mean, you can absolutely do this. I mean, you can get this, you can order extra strips, you can run the whole length of your gas tank. Hey, it's your bike, it's your project, you do what you want. And at this price, you know, you go down to some shop, or you go out to one of the bike rallies where they do the installation on site, they're going to charge you like $300 some. That is mostly labor. So if you are not afraid of doing a little electrical work on your bike, you can save on some labor costs. You know, all you need is a good cup of coffee, some tunes, or if you're starting later in the day than I am, maybe you'll switch to a beer. But yeah, we're going to get through this, and I'll see you in the next video.